Pagdating pala namin sa bahay guys, ito yung nadatna namin. So ginawa ito ng sister-in-law ko and also friend ng mother and father ni Lucas. So ito pala yung surprise nila sa amin. So wala talaga kaming ka-idea Zay na ginawa nila kami ng ganito.
Here they bake a cake and then they give us alcohol free.
Yeah.
And then open it and
Go,
look at
Luca.
this. What's the reaction of me? Oh, danke, Mama. And there's a flower there. Oh, thank you, Kun and Yuge.
And to my sister-in-law, thank you so much. And yeah, we will never forget this. Thank you.
Yeah, and then guys, they print a lot of picture of us. Oh, Connie and Yugen picturing us. That one, oh, they take a photo of that.
Oh, yeah.
The cake. And guys, the photos there, look. And there's a flag. Oh, and guys, dito sa stair, there's a lot of picture of us. Me and Lucas when we are in Bohol. This one also in Palawan. And our wedding in Blaan. And that's one. And the other one there. Oh, look guys. Look at that. There's paballoon and so much picture here too.
Macht ihr Fotos?
Look.
Ja, machen wir jetzt kurz Video.
Huh?
Was für uns auch Gläser? Ach so, hier.
Dann make
To be honest guys, wala talaga kaming idea na isi-surprise kami nila. Pero yung mother ni Lucas is alam nila na isi-surprise nila kami. So ayan. And we're so thankful sa family talaga ng aking guys, husband. Finally husband na talaga. Kasi sobrang bait nila and really appreciate it. So ganitong mga bagay guys. It's my first time in my life na nagawa ng surprise na ganito. I never tried this before in the Philippines, 'di ba? Sa mga kakilala ko, they never surprise me, pero hindi naman ako humihingi guys. And then basta it's a big part of my life na experience kong ganitong surprise. It's a big thing for my heart, Basta kayo na bahala dyan guys. Ayan, sobrang ganda and the cake is baking, I think binake ng ate niya para sa amin. And ito, yung ate-ata niya yung nag-drawing nito. Wala kaming alam-alam guys, sinong gumawa nito. Yung nakita lang namin is yung sulat sa table. So, yun lang binasa namin. So, hindi namin alam kung sinong kasabwat dito. Gumawa nito guys. Sobrang ganda talaga guys. As in, we really appreciate it. Ito yung letter para guys. So,
Really?
letter ito para sa mga gumawa.
Oh yeah.
So, hindi na namin ipakita guys. Tapos yung letter pala, tinranslate pala sa Tagalog. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And this is the end of our video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Bye-bye guys!
Haben wir schon Bescheid gesagt, oder?